2017 Volkswagen GTI Muffler Delete, guys. We installed that to put in that Y pipe, remove the muffler, 2 1/4 inch piping right there that we just sprayed down. We have the double wall chrome, 4-inch tips right there. Got the stock resonator, cat right there. That's the next move, the resonator, not the cat. All right, we're gonna let you guys hear it. Also, we're franchising. Check the links in the description. All right, let's crank it up for you guys.